Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, select here, then type in virus and threat protection. Click here to open it. But before this step, we will just press Windows key plus R key together. Then we will type here reg edit and click on OK. Select as, and on this window we will simply just expand HKey local machine, then expand software folder, then expand Microsoft folder, double click on it to expand it, then just go for Windows folder, expand it, then current version, expand it. Now we need to expand the policies folder, scroll down, and here it is, just expand it. Now select attachments folder, and on the right side right click on scan with antivirus, select modify and change the value data as 1. Now click on OK. Now close this window, and on this window we need to simply just scroll down and select manage settings, disable this real-time protection option, again scroll down, disable cloud deliver protection option, and automatic sample submission also disable. On the same window, select firewall and network protection window section, then we need to select domain network, and from here we need to disable Microsoft Defender firewall. And once done, we need to restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe.